how to turn on or turn off cellular data usage for photos, share albums update on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we then scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, we scroll down, then tap on Photos. Now in here, we then go down and tap on Cellular Data. In here, tap on Cellular Data, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here it said that turn off cellular data to restrict updates to Wi-Fi, including share albums and iCloud photos. So if you don't want to allow Photos app to use your cellular data, you can turn it off. And below that is the unlimited updates. So here, turn on for unlimited use of cellular data to upload and download to iCloud photos when you are not connected to Wi-Fi. This may cause you to exceed your cellular data plan. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.